Well, I like the music itself, and I like, I still remember my feeling of discovering in general that you can take, I mean, every kind of good folk music. Nice thing about folk music, it's built so almost the melodies are written so you can take part in it. Like, it's not Western art music where you have to be really good and then you can be a part of the action, and until then you're a student. And in folk music, it's built so you don't have to know a lot until you can do something. And this, so when I teach here, I see this look on the students' faces because this is exactly what they're looking for. They came here for this, and it does work. I mean, in a way, you are a Klezmer the minute you can carry just one simple tune and charge somebody $5 for playing it. You cannot say that you're a concert pianist after a couple of lessons, but you can be a folk musician after a couple of lessons. So that's cool.